am making a cherry swirl fudge, chocolate cherry swirl fudge. I think chocolate covered cherries. I've got my package of chocolate chips first and a can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay, so I'm going to microwave this and stir every 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, I'm going to stir this. Ooh, yeah, they got nice and melted. Okay, I'm going to let the heat finish melting that while I get my pan prepared. I am taking my parchment paper and I'm going to use 2 pieces since my other fudge was sticking. Just hold it down so it sits neater. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to get this stirred in. Now, you could layer this if you want, but I'm gonna swirl it. And I've got my red candy wafers here. And I ran out of red, so I'm gonna hopefully finish with the white. I hope this doesn't turn it pink. We'll see. So I've got that, and then my sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to melt this together. Okay, melt this first. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook volume 2 on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. Okay, I'm gonna stir this every 30 to 45 seconds. This one went 45. And did we get it all? Wow, that still looks pretty red. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna add just a teensy tiny bit of red food coloring just to make it super red. Okay, and then adding my cherry flavoring. Now, you can get the cherry chips and use the cherry chips. I just don't have them in my town. They are great. I don't know if you can find them at Valentine's Day or only Christmas, but I love them. Okay, so now I'm going to take, pour it into my chocolate. Oh my goodness, that looks festive. Now, my spatula will make probably too big of swirls, and I want smaller swirls. So I'm just going to work and just fold it in. Lift. Turn and lift. Just kind of pull your chocolate in, the red. There we go. Oh, that's looking nice. Scraping down to the bottom. Pulling up the red. Okay, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for several hours or overnight, and then we will cut it. Oh, yum. All right, there we go. I got my fudge. It is very cold. In my pan. Oops. Had a little malfunction here. It's pretty good. Okay, let's see. That looks pretty darn tootin' good. Okay, here's a short squatty one. Yeah, that's really delicious. Oh